If you notice here, themes and initiatives, these stand at high level. These are organization level ideas to develop products or suite of products or services, etc. This is the hierarchy or broadly a breakdown structure of requirement items in Agile environment. If you see the items here, the themes or initiatives, these stand at high level. Goals of organization drive at this level. In organization level or portfolio level, they work on different themes or initiatives to develop the products or portfolio of products to fulfill the organization level goals. One may have only broader ideas or vision at this point. The precise level of understanding and what sort of products or portfolio of products, including their features, scope, size, etc., are not clear at this stage. The planning at this level is on fulfilling the organizational vision by working on a set of themes to focus for gaining the market demand. The next one is product level. At this level, you may configure the broader size of this product or application service and also the roadmap to develop the product. The epics and the features do contribute to achieve the primary goals of the products. Initiatives are split into multiple epics. Epics stand generally at high level project requirements. The development of epic simply doesn't fit into one iteration or one development cycle. Epics are almost delivered over a set of sprints. The appropriate budget of the product or application stands at the epic level. Occasionally, the term feature also used, which is nothing but the group of related user stories. Features are sometimes synonymously used for epics. Epics are divided into different features and each feature of the product achieved through set of logically related user stories. Features are the primary units of software releases. Each release is planned through sequence of sprints. The appropriate budget of the product or application starts at the epic level. The larger epics are divided into set of related features. At the release level, those product features are planned to work first, which are prioritized as per the minimum product viability. Now let us take an example of live streaming. The live streaming feature, we can break the same feature into much finer, like live streaming of Android user, live streaming for iPhone user, etc. Let us see at developmental level. The high priority user needs or user specific functions are planned at the sprint level. You can gauge what are those user specific functions or user needs. Those are important in that sprint delivery. All these items become the sprint goal and the team works only on that specific content. To fulfill those user needs, the set of relevant user stories are created. Here the user story in the sense user specific function are the piece of work based on the end user. And these user stories are developed and planned to deliver at the sprint level. User stories keep the focus on end user. They derive the scope of the business value in the perspective of end user. User story is not a detailed requirement document, but it is like a pointer where the details are developed during the product grooming sessions. The high priority tasks, those fulfill the user functions and being worked out at daily Scrum level. The development team follows the continuous inspect and adapt approach at daily basis to identify the priority tasks. Daily planning and daily stand-up activities greatly help at this level. The user stories are divided into user tasks, which are actually developed by the development team during the sprint or development cycle. For example, when you are developing a login feature, design and development of user interface screens can be an user task. Similarly, the development of the business logic, testing part, etc. Tasks are very granular or detailed in hierarchy of the requirements, and these tasks are executed at sprint level. Sprint is a development cycle in Agile framework that varies from 2 to 4 weeks of duration commonly. User stories play an important and very instrumental role in developing the Agile applications. In traditional project management like waterfall method, the business requirements, like both technical and functional requirements, are made to be finalized at the same time at the requirement phase. This approach is not viable and not be possible in all scenarios, and this is the very limitation of the regular waterfall method. This is where the user stories play an instrumental, where they just act as a pointers and the details could be added during the product grooming sessions, which is a live process throughout the development.